All right, guys, this is question 35. I'm getting close to the end of this. I can see it now. All right, so they've given us a system of inequalities and they want us to graph them, and then they want us to label the solution set. So at this point, you should know that you're going to graph these as relations. We're going to do each relation. They're going to be lines. We're going to grab 2 points on the line. We're going to check to make sure it's a solid line or a dashed line, and then we're going to label the solution set. And then we are going to answer the question at the bottom. We got to get these 4 points because these are very simple questions. Okay, so we're going to go here. I'm going to go tab. I'm going to delete the equal sign, and then I'm going to choose option 6. And then I'm going to type in the first inequality. So it's going to be 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to a -6. And then I press enter. All right, so that's it. Now, when I hover over this, this is a solid line. I just need 2 points. So I'm going to do menu 51. So it takes me to the y-intercept 0, 2. So I'm going to put a point there. And then I need one more point. So I'm just going to do I'm going to put in, let's see, here, it looks like a -3. So I'm going to put in a -3 and I'm going to see what that gets. It's a -3, 0. So, oops, I messed up. I put 2, 0 when it should have been a -2, 0. So I got to fix that. That was a bad mistake on my part. And then the other point is a -3, 0. So now that I've got that 2 points, I can draw a line through there. Now that's not the best line. Let me see if I can do a little better. All right. And then I'm going to shade above the line. So this is shading above the line. Now I'm going to do the next one. So I'm going to put in tab, and then I'm going to type in the second one. Is x is less than 3y plus 6. And then press enter, and that's it. Now, what I'm going to do, because I like to do this, is I'm going to unclick this one so I could just focus on the second one. And so now notice when I hover over the second one, it's going to be a dash line. But now I'm going to use menu 51 to find 2 points. One of the points is also 0 and -2, coincidentally. So I can put another point there on my graph paper. And then I'm going to find one more point. So let me see. This one right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put in a -6. And let's see what it does. It's a -6. Actually, I'm going to put in a +6. And it's right here, 6, 0. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put my next point, and then I'm going to draw a dash line. So I'm going to try to do this. Boom, 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 boom. You should use a ruler. And then I'm going to shade above. Pop, 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 pop. Now, remember the solution set. I got to label it with an S. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to put a big S here. So that's where my solution is. I'm going to bring back the other inequality so you guys can see that as well. So it's where they overlap. All of this is where the solution set. Anything in here is a solution. Okay, so now I am going to plot the point that they gave us. So the point that they gave us was, it was for a -2. So I'm going to go over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to go down 2. So this is where the point is. Is that in the solution set? It is not. It is not in the solution set. Now, let me go to the graph, make sure I'm good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So it would be right here. It is not in this area, so it's not in the solution set. So that's what I'm going to say. Down here, I'm just going to say that it is not a solution because it is not in the solution set area. It's not in here. So this would be 2 points. If I shade it right, label it right, make sure my lines are dashed, and then answering it, this would be another 2 points. Guys, we got to get this one. They're gonna have one of these. We have to label everything properly, and we have to make sure we answer the question. All right, that's it. I'm gonna post this, and